Hi, my dear friends. Today we will discuss about the importance of English language. So, before we going to learn the Speak English Easily course, we must understand the importance of English language. So, what is the importance of English language? First of all, we can say the English is the only language which is spoken in the whole world. That's why it is known as a global language. So, that's why it is very important for us that as a people, as a person, we must learn the English language because it is a global language, and in this modernization it is very important for us that we should learn the English language. Next is the more English is the more opportunity of better job. So you can see in this time, if you know fluent English, if you can speak fluent English, then the employer must be require you, must be hire you. So it is very important for us that if you want to go for any high level companies, high level salary packages, and then definitely we have to learn this English fluently. The next is an employer always wants a fluent English speaker employee. So we can see in this time the companies are going to be MNC companies. For example, Coca-Cola, Wipro, and lots of companies are going to be MNC company. So in this way, if a company is MNC company, it has branch into various countries in the world. So you must be speak English fluently so that you can handle and communicate with other in a country's people. And that's why the employer always wants that kind of person who can speak English fluently. Next is English is a business language. How it is business language? So see, we can say that two friends who know the native language, but in a business case, whenever they are business case, face to face they speak English. Why? What is the reason? Because English is a business language. For example, we can say one more thing, that if we see any advertisement or any pamphlet or notice, we can say that it is written in English. So why? Because it is a business language, everybody can read it, the common person can read it and understand it. Next is, most of the international employers seek those employees who are fluent in English language. Yes, it is a very important topic and for us point for us that most of the employers seek those employees only who can fluent speak English. Because why? See, if a person can speak English fluently, then the employer can send him to any other country for the job, for another country for the post of that particular job. That's why it is very important that a person who knows fluent English speak, who can speak English fluently, then only he can hired by the employer. So this is the very plus point for us. And next is that if you know English language, you can easily travel corner to corner in the world. So it is very good opportunity for you. And as for that, most of the time we want to go to the foreign countries, for example in America or Sudan or England or anywhere in the world, corner to corner we want to visit, we want to travel, but there is a barrier of communication. If you don't know English language fluently, then it is very difficult for you to go to corner, because whenever you go you will not able to communicate with other person, because English is the only common language by which we can speak with the other person of the country. So that's why it is very important for us that if we want to go corner to corner, if we want to travel all over the world, then we must be know the English language. The next is, English gives you more access to get more knowledge. Yes, it is very important topic for us that the most of the writers, it may be native in speaking or language writer or any other writer it may be, but definitely if the book is very good or any film or any book is very good, then definitely it will be translated in English language, because English language is the common language, and if a person wants to get more knowledge, then definitely he can read this book and he can access more knowledge, right? So this is the reason we can learn the English language. And the second thing is that most of the universities in the world are mainly in based on English language. For example, Oxford University, we can say. So these are the university where we can get lots of knowledge, all over the world knowledge, or any specific scientific knowledge. So if we want to get that kind of knowledge, then we have to learn this English language. And if you want to take admission, then definitely have to know the English language. That's why this is the another reason that English is the very important language. Next is, and fluent English speaker always gets more popularity among friends. So it is also a very good thing for us that we can see that most of the person are very loneliness, and they are not any friend, right? In this modernization. So if you know English fluently, you can speak English fluently very well, you can communicate in English very well, then what happen, your friend circle will be increased, because your friend circle will be attract to you. So this is very important part of our life, because friends are always friends where we can get fun, we can lots of things, lots of information we can get from friends, lots of help we can get from friends. And friends, if you have friends, you're not bored anymore. So that's why it is very important for us that we need friends. But if you know English fluently, you can speak English fluently, then friends are also come closer to you. So this is are the very important topic for us, very important point for us, for which we should learn the English language. So these are the point I have mentioned here, importance of English language. So thank you very much, my dear friend. Thank you very much.